Entering 2021, Ripple is ranked 4th in the market capitalization ranking of crypto assets. The number issued is 100 billion, which is much larger than Bitcoin, and all XRP has already been issued. Originally, the remittance platform was called Ripple, and the crypto assets or virtual currency used in RippleNet were called XRP, but in general, both are often called Ripple. Ripple is expected to be used primarily for international money transfers. It is expected that it will replace the existing remittance system, and it has become a brand that is very often invested and purchased in Japan. And while multiple exchanges handle Ripple, they are not the same everywhere. It's easy to choose an exchange, but there are 3 very important points to avoid failure. However, after that, it became a subsidiary of Monex Incorporated, which is listed on the first section of the Tokyo Stock Exchange, and in addition to approval by the Financial Services Agency and 2-step verification, it has prepared a multi-sig and SSL encrypted communication that makes hacking difficult. Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll talk about whether can XRP hit $100 by the end of 2021? But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started quickly. Features of Ripple XRP or Ripple. Ripple is one of the attributes of altcoin. However, there is a technology that is possible because of Ripple, which other altcoins do not have. Among altcoins, it is very good at international remittance, and considering the speed and security of remittance, Ripple is an attractive crypto asset or virtual currency. Let's dig a little deeper into the characteristics of Ripple and explain and introduce them. A brief introduction to RippleNet and XRP. First off, if you want a quick understanding of what RippleNet is, assume it's a hub. Or you can say the point of meetup with all the payment services, money services, retail stores, banks, and other businesses. Meet in common and work on a user solution created by a single entity called Ripple. The XRP network allows you to send money in any currency, such as Bitcoin, with an internal minimum fee of $0.00001. You heard right, it's at 0. The only reason it's not free is to avoid DDoS attacks. Speaking of XRP, this is a digital currency issued by Ripple Incorporated in 2012. This is the same organization that handles the cross-border payment system called RippleNet mentioned above. The company certainly pays more attention to cross-border payment systems than to digital currencies. Ripple's past price analysis. The Ripple network was not used because it was never intended to be used. The supply of token XRP was limited and was not mined the way Bitcoin and Ethereum were mined. The coin was first released to the market in 2012, but did not gain fame until 2018. The first XRP rally in early 2018 was a huge hit, $3.4 in the first rally when the coin reached its price. It was the moment when Ripple XRP was recognized and properly introduced to the public, but shortly thereafter, both Ethereum and Bitcoin were unable to participate in the rising price competition that enjoyed the recovery of the top markets. The 52-week coin range has been around $0.1151, $0.7680 over the last few years. On the other hand, daily prices averaged between $0.33 and $0.364. XRP price has been kept at low level of $0.15 since 2018. However, the token struggled to exceed the price by almost $0.3. The current trading price of XRP is $0.3367. Token had a hard time gaining much lost land. XRP prices tend to match other cryptocurrencies. This means that if the price of Bitcoin is rising or falling, it will have a big impact on other cryptocurrencies. The price of XRP depends entirely on the liquidity and direction of the global market. Can XRP hit $100 by the end of 2021? If the fractals are correct, it was projected at $0.5 by the end of 2020. The goal has been achieved. It was only a 16% loss from the target price, but still covered most of the forecast price. When investors and traders interrupt their investment, the price of XRP is set to rise explosively. It is reasonable for XRP to reach the $1 level by the end of this year. Looking at previous prices and currency behavior over the last 2 years, many analysts say that XRP will finally break out of the shell and reach a new point of $1. Cryptocurrency prices last rose in 2 years, and most of the time since then, there have been downsides. Well, let's keep our fingers crossed. Ripple XRP price forecast 2023, 2024, 2025. Despite all the challenges XRP has faced over the years, it's finally time for tokens to dig themselves out of the bull market butter. The time when Bitcoin and other coins are formatting is soaring. Ripple XRP price forecast 2030. It seems that the tension of COVID has finally been overcome. The market is slowly recovering, but the crypto market is making progress as it begins the outcome of a new era. Indeed, XRP's long-term forecasts are heading to new heights as currencies are expected to receive more attention than ever before. Recruitment rates and traders and investors are planning to invest, which will be a bigger chance for the Ripple community than we can imagine. Does it rank up in turn, and who knows, it will always be a favorite by the end of 2030. Long-time price forecasts predict that XRP will reach a potentially high level of $30.0478 in 2030. The average rate is close to $17. Factors affecting Ripple price. The conclusion and the main question are the factors that will influence the price of Ripple in the next few years. You all know that cryptos are decentralized, and investors are wondering if the price of XRP will skyrocket. There is no single proof that this will happen in real time, but there are some factors that can affect the price. The price will be gaga or will be stuck again. Let's talk about some of the factors we consider worth working on. Supply and demand. This plays a very important role in raising value. If it is either Ripple or any other crypto, the demand for crypto is the main one. Earlier, I noticed that Ripple received less attention than other cryptos. News and company performance are the biggest impacts we can leave on our users. This is the pivot part of past price analysis. When investing in Ripple, consider whether it's worth investing in coins. Check the historical data for 10 years. Unfortunately, Ripple has no fairy tales or success stories. The financial crisis retreats investors and traders. The power of the media can help or harm cryptography as long as it wishes. They are a kind of reel that ignites among investors and traders. When the media writes or talks about it, it has a big impact on the demand for cryptography. It indirectly plays a very positive role by providing knowledge, talking about basic 101 guides, and providing catchy news. SEC proceedings. In December, the SEC, formerly known as the Securities and Exchange Commission, said it had raised more than $1.3 billion in securing unregistered digital asset security products, Ripple Labs Incorporated. Furthermore, the two officials filed a proceeding. According to the proceedings, the company opposed federal security law by selling XRP coins without registering them as a security. XRP was hit by a bomb after being sued by the SEC. If the SEC wins the proceedings, Ripple is most likely to be considered US security or currency. This can affect other cryptocurrencies that are classified as security. One of the things investors don't like is uncertainty. This Ripple proceeding will probably last for over a year. XRP will be one of the most uncertain investments in the crypto community before the SEC proceedings against Ripple are settled. Therefore, this can adversely affect the image of the coin. Ripple is different from other cryptocurrencies. XRP Ledger works through the approval of an application process that uses a network of processing, not certificates of operation or certifications of operation. The transition is faster. Another big difference is that, unlike Bitcoin, XRP is not designed to require digging at all. Relatively cheaper than other coins, XRP is very attractive to investors and traders. For those who invest $1,000 in Ripple, the price suddenly rises by 50 cents. This rise makes a big difference to that particular individual. On the other hand, for Bitcoin investors, this is rarely an eyebrow. The year 2021 may be bad for people for other reasons, but it was a pretty good year for XRP. The good news is that XRP is open to the public. Even minor variations are much more accessible and volatile. How to buy Ripple? There are many ways to buy Ripple XRP. You can buy coins with your debit card or credit card, or get coins from reputable exchanges. Most exchanges do not support fiat currencies, so purchasing directly from US dollars is the easiest way. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.